What's up, Capstone family? This is Friday, the 8th of September. I'm coming at you here from Capstone headquarters. Thanks for watching. It is warm out there. Again, I heard that we are hitting records right now for heat. So again, I know I brought it up last week. Not complaining, but realistically, it's just super hot this year. Things just aren't cooling like they should be. So keep that in mind. We'll be jumping on that early again next year for the AC stuff, because we definitely are getting through this a little less scathed than we thought we would. Hey, but I did want to reach out a couple of things. First, the ADU thing passed this week through the City of Phoenix. Accessory Dwelling Unit. What that was City of Phoenix in 2020, they have this proposal for basically developing more housing here in Phoenix, and they know that there was a housing shortage then. This is something that has just passed that allows those with the space to basically put in casitas that have running water, kitchens. The size of them can be bigger than what was allowed in the past, and it's going to create more housing, honestly. What they're going to have to figure out is how do they prevent more short-term rentals. Julie here in the office brought up an amazing question earlier today. She said, hey, well, what happens in the HOAs, right? I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I'm sure we're going to see a lot of that as it comes out. We'll definitely be jumping into that, sharing more about ADUs, because I firmly believe in them. I think that that's something that will help what we're experiencing right now with the shortage. But again, this market is a little different, because we are seeing also the pains of the sales side. Market is coming up. We had a trough about a month ago where we saw that bottom. Now we're seeing more active inventory. Interesting. Also on the rental side, we're still getting hollers from other people in the industry wondering what's working, how are things getting rented, what are you doing differently, or what should we all be, how should we be pivoting right now to make sure that things are getting rented faster. A lot of it, again, pricing. And I hate to say that that's the solve for what we're dealing with right now, but again, from the pricing that we saw last year, we are seeing pretty good drop for some of those. So keep that in mind when we're having those conversations. But without further ado, I would like to address the newest member of our team. I'm going to roll him in right now. This is Joe's first time seeing one of these videos in person. I'd like to introduce Mr. Joe. Joe, how are you, man?
Good.
Awesome. Hey, so I'm going to ask him the series of questions. Thank you for first, man, thanks for being on this thing.
Yeah.
He just found out yesterday that he was going to be on video, so he had to mentally prepare coming in today and go, oh, okay, what's it going to be? Also, I didn't give him the questions until today because, this is how it rolls, right? This is more fun this way.
Hot seat, yes.
Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. So, tell us a little bit about yourself. Give us the 10-second, 15-second.
Well, I'm originally from the East Coast. I moved out here to Arizona in '96, late '96, early '97.
Nice.
I come from a military and federal service background. I recently retired from the federal government after 35 years.
Wow. Okay. Well, hold on. What were you doing with the government?
With the government, I was my career was mostly in maintenance and operations and property management.
Yes. Okay.
So that's
when you're saying government, I'm thinking like something totally different.
Yeah, no secret spy stuff. It was all property management and maintenance.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Tell us. Okay, so what are you looking forward to right now in this role?
Well, I'm really excited about the opportunity because it allows me to do what my whole career has been about. Has been maintenance and property management and customer service. So I get to use all my experience to help our customers.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You have a little bit of background with electrical too, didn't you?
I was an electrician. Yeah, I was an electrician in the Navy, and my early career I was an electrician. So in the government, I worked my way through the electric shop, HVAC, plant operations, and finally, maintenance and operations foreman.
Man, so you've seen a lot of it.
Yeah. It was a long career, and I loved it. I enjoyed it, but at a certain point, I wanted to, start the second chapter of my career, and so I had my time in with the federal government. And I wanted to take everything that I learned and everything that I know and roll it into a new career.
I love it, man. That's
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah, and we get Joe. So excited. Yeah, Joe, we're pumped to have you, man.
Yeah, glad to be here.
Yeah, cool. What do you like so far about Capstone?
Well, I have to say it's an amazing team. After 35 years working in different offices with different crews, I can honestly say that your team has more of a family atmosphere vibe going with it, and the team is just, they made me feel so welcome. They're so helping, and everybody is pitching in. We're all pulling in the same direction.
Nice.
Instead of people pulling in different directions, which is unfortunately what you see a lot of the time in a dysfunctional office.
Yeah.
But you guys don't have any of that going on, so I'm excited to be part of this team.
Nice, Joe. Thanks, man. That's great feedback. Nice job, team.
Yeah.
That's been awesome. Right on. Well, man, thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Totally appreciate you. I know I totally put you on the spot.
No worries.
We're super excited to have Joe. This is definitely an awesome opportunity for Capstone to have somebody sitting in the seat that's just going to absolutely crush it. We're expecting amazing things.
Awesome.
Nice.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks. And thanks for watching. Yeah, till next week, we'll get you some more updates, some more feedback, let you know what's happening with the market. See you then.